I'm Aaron Pritchett, and this is Around the Yard at NNS. Work continues on the second Gerald R. Ford aircraft carrier John F. Kennedy CVN 79 as the marathon and sprint continues to deliver her to the U.S. Navy. Shipbuilders have been busy from top to bottom, inside and out, and not to mention focusing on everything from the largest to the smallest detail, and one you may have never thought about.
So I'm here on 07 Tac 5. I'll switch it from fast speed to off, and then we'll go back to slow speed.
So we're up on the island on the ship, and of all things, we are testing the window wipers up here on all levels available. This one was an interesting one for us to prepare to get into. You know, the closer we talk to the ship being done and ready to take out to sea, you don't think about the windows fogging up, or when a storm comes and the rain's blowing sideways. If you don't have anything to help combat and defend against that, you're just going to be going in blind. So having these wipers cover, 80% of all the window surfaces, and the heaters spreading throughout the entire window casing, it helps to prevent icing. It helps with visibility while you're at sea, all the things you don't usually think of until they're there and you need them. It's exciting. I'm very fortunate in a group that I get to test equipment from the bottom all the way to the top. So I'm here to verify that all this is ready to go, that it's all installed and wired and all that correctly. And it's a lot of fun. It's one thing that I'm very glad and very fortunate to have gotten into this test group. And you get to see the big projects and the big evolutions, and then you get to see the smaller things where it may take a decently long time to get it all wired, troubleshoot, go over all those steps, and then we come down and testing may take an hour or two, and you're done. And that's ensuring that all these are working properly the way they're intended to be.